Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You are going to start by preparing the device and getting root access. First, confirm Android version and file system type so you know what tools you need. Once done, enable developer options, turn on USB debugging, and allow OEM unlock. Next, unlock the bootloader. This wipes data, so back up first. Then flash a custom recovery like TWRP using Fastboot. Make sure to verify the recovery boots to avoid bricking, because you'll need it to install the next level tools. Now you'll change limits that constrain file counts and descriptors. Boot into TWRP and mount system and data partitions. This gives full access. Install Magisk if you want persistent root plus module support, then reboot to recovery if required. Use a text editor or a DB pull to edit fstab or the kernel CMD line, increase inode counts, max files, and file descriptor settings. Also check, and if needed, replace a file system with ext4 or f2fs tuned for high. Finish by rebooting and validating your changes. Use a DB shell to inspect /proc and file system mounts, checking file max, inode counts, and DFI to confirm increases. If the device fails to boot, immediately restore the Nandroid backup from TWRP to return to a working state. If mounts or kernel panic happen, collect logcat and dmesk outputs, then revert recent edits or try alternate fstab parameters. One key troubleshooting tip: always keep a separate backup image and test changes incrementally to isolate failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.